everyone. Today I'm opening up my baby box from Amazon. So if you do a baby registry on Amazon, and once you purchase like $10 off that, or anyone purchase $10 off of that, they send you a baby box, or in this case it's a baby bag. I'm not sure why they call it a box, but I'm going to show you what's inside. So first of all, you get this nice little reusable bag here. And then you get Huggies Perfect diapers, 3 size 1 diapers, and then it looks like there's a coupon in there, and water wipes. They are 99.9% water and a drop of fruit extract, and it's grapefruit seed extract, but there's no chemicals to bind the wipes, anything like that, but pack of 10 wipes. We continue in. There is a sample of Aquaphor healing ointment here, a sample of grape water, so looks like it's for gas, hiccups, colic, fussiness. This is also free of dyes, parabens, alcohol, and it comes with a coupon in addition to the sample. Looks like a sample size of Baby Dove Lotion, sensitive moisture, fragrance free, hypoallergenic, pH neutral. So 1 ounce, fluid ounce, or 30 milliliters. So this is kind of nice if you are traveling. You still have baby supplies that you can bring on the plane with you. Not that we're necessarily doing that right at the moment, but Cetaphil baby wash and shampoo with organic calendula, tear free. I'm not going to go through all of the ingredients here, but it looks like a fairly clean ingredient list here. Again, this one is 1.7 ounces or 50 milliliters, so again, a nice travel size or just to try out. And if we continue, they sent says a gift for you, and then hat, gloves, and socks. You can kind of see on there. And I'm not sure with this if they specify based on what you're having. I don't remember saying boy or girl on there, but you get gloves. They're not the most standardized thing. I don't know if you can see they're like 2 different lengths here and same width, but maybe not the highest quality standard, but they are soft. They're nice gloves. They'll get the job done. These socks look huge for if you're using newborn mittens, but they do feel like really nice socks. And then you have a hat, which again seems kind of on the bigger side for a newborn, but it's not, it's somewhat stretchy, but it's not overly, so still feels really high quality though, and it's part of your free box thing. So I figured I'd show you that. And then if we keep going here, it's a 10% off this Hatch sound machine, so another coupon. And then it just says if you liked anything, you can scan it with the Amazon app to buy more. And then there's 2 more things in here. So there is a Dr. Brown's Anti-Colic bottle. This is a full-sized bottle here. I mean, if we look at it, it looks like it holds up to 5 ounces. You can just kind of see what it looks like there, and then obviously it comes with directions. So that's kind of nice if you don't know what kind of bottles you're planning on using yet. It gives you one to try out. And then there's also a NAM bottle with a pacifier. So it's anti-colic, and it says it's for newborns, thin liquids including breast milk, BPA free, Anyway, it gives you 2 different bottles to try out. So this is the Amazon. Try and get it so you can see all of it in here. It's a pretty good deal. They do list it as $35 if you're going to buy like the welcome box. However, if you hit redeem, it'll show up in your cart as $35, but then when you're checking out and you can select like the payment method, it says use your $35 promotional credit, so then it's free. And if you have Prime, shipping is free. I don't remember, I believe you have to be a Prime member to get the welcome box. I know you have to be a Prime member to get 15% off. Otherwise, it's like 5% off of Registry if you're not a Prime member. So if you're planning on getting a lot of stuff with your completion discount, it probably pays to become a Prime member just because you get that extra 10% off. And I believe you can check out twice on the Amazon registry. So definitely create a registry on there if you're looking at getting some of the freebies associated with that. And be sure to check back. We're also going to be doing an unboxing of a Target freebie as well as a couple of the formula companies. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and best of luck with your new little one.